After you have performed measurements, saved data or used the auto-saving functionality, the machine will report the results to our cloud. With each measurement, the timestamp and device's answer are included. This requires that the device is connected to Wi-Fi and added to your account. Accessing statistics. Please open our app and navigate to Statistics from the home menu. You can now filter the results by statistic type. You can choose by material, which are the materials that were scanned, or you can choose by time, which is the hour, the day of week, the day of month, the month and the year of when the samples were scanned. Instrument. You can wildcard any Plastel, or any Fabritel, or you can select a particular instrument associated with your account. Collection. You can either wildcard any collection or you can select a particular collection. Date range. Select from a range of 2 dates the measurements should be retrieved. Press Load Statistics. These results show material-based statistics. These results show time-based statistics.